First Education Academy presents 4x4 series Legal English. Conditional release. Conditional release. This term means the discharging of an offender from detention. The defendant's release is revoked if he or she fails to satisfy the terms of his release. Eminent Domain. Eminent Domain. This term means the government's right to seize private property for public purpose after paying the owner a fair price. Condemnation. Condemnation. This term means the legal procedure through which the government acquires private land for public use after compensating the landowners. Confession. Confession. This term means when someone admits to committing a certain type of crime, either verbally or in writing. First Education Academy presents 4x4 series Legal English. Conflict of interest. Conflict of interest. This term means when a person owes a duty to more than one person or organization, yet he or she is unable to balance the real or projected conflicting interests of both parties. Conformed copy. Conformed copy. This term means to create duplicates that are identical to the original, for example, copies with identical signatures or dates. Collateral consanguinity. Collateral consanguinity. This term means relationship between people who have a common ancestor but do not descend or rise from him, as between uncle and nephew. Lineal consanguinity. Lineal consanguinity. This term means the relationship that occurs between two people who are descended in a straight line from each other, such as between a son and his father, and so on, up the direct descending line, or between a son and his grandson, and so on, down the direct descending line. First Education Academy presents 4x4 series Legal English. Parole evidence rule. Parole evidence rule. This term means the rule that evidence other than the actual contract cannot amend, explain, vary, or contradict a contract's explicit provisions. Turn King's evidence. Turn King's evidence. This term means to provide information on other offenders in exchange for a reduced sentence. Turn State's evidence, U.S. law. Turn State's evidence, U.S. law. This term means to provide information on other offenders in exchange for a reduced sentence. Conclusive evidence. Conclusive evidence. This term means evidence that cannot be refuted, and that must be used to demonstrate a fact in dispute. First Education Academy presents 4x4 series, Legal English. Juvenile court. Juvenile court. This term means a court that hears issues involving minors under the age of 18. Traffic court. Traffic court. This term means a specialist court that hears cases involving traffic violations. Court and bank. Court and bank. This term means a gathering of all of a court's judges, generally to hear arguments on demurrers, issues reserved, motions for fresh trials, and other matters. Court of inquiry. Court of inquiry. This term means an official group of persons tasked with investigating a severe accident or disaster. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please join my channel. Click the notification button. Your share and like are highly appreciated.